So it looks as though we have a new ceiling fan. Pretty cool. We have a cleaned up kitchen table, and then I put the remote here in the doorway. And there is the light. So that's what the lights look like. Pretty bright. I think they're actually brighter than the last ones. And then there's a quick fan button here, which is just should be a go. And there it goes. Pretty exciting. Now there's a little white thing on one of the blades. So I'm trying to get it to stop wobbling. So it's like a test weight. So that's still in progress, but there you go. It's actually not wobbling that bad at all. Maybe I'll leave it like that. But you take that little sample weight off and they're more permanent weights that you can put on. That one's just a clamp. But yeah, it's exciting. New ceiling fan and under remote control. So the remote is over here and fan off is here and light off is there. And everything's coming to rest. So my gift to you, a new ceiling fan. Yay.